Cheers! This is Marco. Welcome to the Antioxidant Championship 2011. Everybody's asking which is the strongest antioxidant on earth. There is a lot of bets and talks in the market. But which is the strongest? And how can we prove it? So, the apple test. What is the apple test? When we cut an apple, the surface quickly turns brown. So the oxygen or the free radicals are turning the polyphenol compounds into brown pigments. So the rules of the championship is very simple. Which antioxidant can keep the apple whiter and slowing the aging process? So come here today, we have a very interesting examples. The first qualifying round. So green tea, 1,200 milligram of green tea, a very famous antioxidant. Then we have vitamin C, 1,200 milligram of vitamin C. And then we have the underdog, Astaxanthin, the supercarotenoid. Astaxanthin is a very vivid red pigment, usually turns the salmon red, and the crab and the lobster give the red color. Actually, Dr. Pericone, the anti-aging guru, said that astaxanthin is a very powerful antioxidant, hundreds of times stronger than other ones. But is that really true? So let's test it. Since we are not going to be merciful, we are going to use only one single drop of astaxanthin compared to 1,200 milligram. So you can see the reddish color from the Haematococcus pluvialis algae. So you can see how it solubilizes in the water. Okay, so we're going to put the apple inside the solution. Okay, and we leave it there. Then we're going to put the apple in the vitamin C solution and keep it there. And then we're going to use the green tea. Put the apple in the green tea. Okay? So now, we are going to wait for about 20 minutes and see what will be the result, which will keep the apple whiter. Let's wait. So after 20 minutes, let's observe which is the strongest antioxidant. Please come here. So we can see green tea, 1,200 milligram of green tea. We can see the oxidation is taking place at a quite fast pace, this area, okay? Then we can take vitamin C. Vitamin C looks quite strong, better than green tea, but we can see the oxidation also is taking place quite heavily in this area. Now let's see astaxanthin. So we can see that it remains really one single drop of astaxanthin make quite a difference compared to vitamin C, keeps the apple white. Green tea, basically the apple remain intact. Isn't that shocking? So the winner of the first qualifying round of the Antioxidant Championship 2011 is astaxanthin, who overpowered green tea and overpowered vitamin C. Now, Dr. Pericone suggested that astaxanthin is a very much stronger antioxidant than other ones, so we will try in the second qualifying round other antioxidants like vitamin E and coenzyme Q10. Meanwhile, I'm going to enjoy the astaxanthin apple. Cheers from Marco. Stay tuned. viewers, this is Marco. Welcome back to the Antioxidant Championship 2011. In the last video, we show how astaxanthin can slow down premature signs of aging with the APO test. But in this experiment, we will show you how astaxanthin can actually make you stronger and can make your cell more resilient with the egg test. Please, cameraman, come here. Well, aging starts at the membrane. The membranes are very important, are the gates of the cell and the gates of life, because they protect the cell from the DNA damage and improve cell-to-cell communication. So healthy membrane equal healthy looking, younger, stronger man and woman. However, free radicals, as you can see here, are nasty boys who chunk off the membranes, causing a lot of damages and faster aging. That's why the importance of antioxidant to protect the membranes. Now, how astaxanthin works? Astaxanthin span the membrane bilayer and provide a double protection, both in the fat, in the water-loving area and the fat-loving areas, catching the free radicals all the way. This is different from vitamin C, where it only stays in the outer side of the membrane, or beta-carotene and vitamin E that stays only in the fat-loving areas. Now, if this is really true, if astaxanthin can stitch and make the membrane more resilient, it should make the egg yolk stronger and more resilient against pressure. Let's check it. Here the astaxanthin egg, and here the normal egg we can buy in the supermarket. Which egg yolk is going to be stronger? Let's watch it. So we break the egg and we put it here, okay? And then we break the normal egg and we put it here, okay? Here we go. And then we pick up the egg without the yolk. Here we go. And then we pick up the normal egg. Okay, very sticky. And we put it here. Now, let's check which is stronger. So, you can see the astaxanthin egg. You can play with it. Okay, we can pass it. We can try the drop one. Okay, is that possible with the other egg? Let's watch it. See, it's already broke down, basically. So you can see the membrane resilient is quite different. Actually, let's keep going with the other egg, with the astaxanthin egg, and make it a much bigger drops. Cameraman, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. See? And then finally we can try to pick it up. Look at this. Isn't crazy? The membrane is keeping there. Okay? Look at this egg like this. Zoom in, zoom in. Okay, see there. So we can show that the membrane do remain quite strong with astaxanthin. It's quite stronger, more resilient membrane, more resilient cells. So at this point then the only choice I have is to get astaxanthin supplements. Here we go. How about you? stay tuned for next experiment. Bye bye.